Merry Christmas, everybody. Was Santa here? Did Santa come to your house? Let's go see. He made a mess. What did he do?
He hit the carrots.
He hit the carrots, and what did he do? He saw...
He saw my name.
Huh?
He saw my name.
But whose name is that?
Lorenzo.
No, but whose name is that?
This one's yours. Lorenzo, this one's yours.
Wait, what did Santa say over there? What did Santa say in the letter?
For what?
No opening yet. What did Santa say in the letter?
Dear Lorenzo, thank you for the candles. They were yummy. Be good. See you next year. Love, Santa. P.S.
Rudolph.
Rudolph says hi. Yes, don't open your gift.